Hello children, welcome to my Fun and Learn channel. This channel is specially made for you. Here you can learn everything with the help of stories. And now it's time to listen to the story of letter J. Can you see so many pictures? They all start with J. And now let's hear the story.
One sunny morning, Mom and Dad thought of going to a picnic in the jungle with their daughter, Jia, and her little brother, Jay. Jia wore her favorite yellow jacket and blue jeans. Jay wore his bouncy shoes. He loved to jump. They packed a big jug of mango juice, some jam, and jelly. Daddy drove in their red jeep. They laughed and sang songs. Suddenly, a funny joker appeared on the road. Wanna see a trick? The joker asked. He juggled oranges and jumped like a frog. Everyone clapped and cheered. Finally, they reached the picnic spot under a big tree. They spread out the mat, poured the juice, and ate sandwiches with yummy jam. Everyone felt joyful as they played, laughed, and danced in the fresh jungle breeze. It was a perfect picnic day.
Did you like the joker juggling the fruits? Hope you enjoyed the story. And the letter J makes the sound J, J, J. So now it's time to see some more words from J.
Jaguar, jellyfish, joker, jug, juice, jam, jackal, jet, jacket, jeans, jump, jog.
Hope you had fun learning so many words from letter J, which makes the sound J, 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 J. Now let's see how we can write J. Point to the ceiling, come down, monkey's tail, and a dot. That's your J or J, J, J. Let's see one more time. Point to the ceiling, come down, monkey's tail, and a dot. Here is your easy formation of J. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. So please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.